How big was the dump truck again Daddy's buying?
That tall.
You got camera shy already? You little booger. Today we're gonna be testing out this
super dump
drill.
Super dump.
Yeah, is Daddy buying a super dump? It's gonna be cool, huh? Today we're gonna be testing out this DeWalt 20 volt Max XR brushless motor. Part number DCD996. Hammer function, it's got the drill function and every other function. Pretty sweet. So we're gonna test this bad boy out today. Check that out, that's cool. You can leave the light on for 20 minutes, halfway, or no way, or just dim. Okay, let's rock and roll. Dang, that thing took skin off. Check that out. That took skin off. I'm tightening that down. That right there gives you a lot of
Tension.
That's never happened to me before. My skin's pretty tough, so normally you can stop it, you know what I mean, by holding it.
Yeah.
Well, it just sanded my hand down. DeWalt, that is cool. I like that. Okay, Grandpa, here's what we need to do now. Let's move this gate around this way so we can figure out where we want. Here, I need your help, honey, too. So.
Out of the way.
There's a whole way back. You got the right end towards you.
Go towards the tree. Right there. Set it down. Okay, now just kind of hold it right there. So,
The other one died.
yeah. Okay, I need you guys to pull this that way. Just a little bit. Okay, right there. That's it. Okay, now hold it straight up. Okay, so we want this off the ground. Probably, if we drilled it in right there.
I'd give you at least a foot off the ground.
Well, you see how this is bent in?
The bottom is going to have to be farther in than the top. You have to drill the hole in farther.
If we do it right here, that should work, right?
Yeah, it'd be
About
good.
that level?
It'd be good for the snow level, regardless what snow level you have. You get some snow down.
Where was I? Right here?
Where's your? Yeah, I think you're right in
Right
there.
here.
Why don't you take a post?
Let's try this on hammer mode and see if that does any difference. Do you see that? The difference?
Got hot, yeah.
Hammer mode and regular drill
I saw
mode.
it, chips like
Regular drill mode, it wasn't going in.
it. And it did like a chainsaw kicking out that sawdust.
And this tree is ash, so it's a hardwood, right?
You want to check this, Brian? See how the size is? It's getting hot, huh?
Yeah, it's steaming. Well, this is 1/2 inch, Grandpa.
Okay, yeah.
So,
This is going to go in really tight.
yeah, I know.
Really tight.
But that's what we need, so we're gonna have to hammer this thing in, Grandpa.
The other.
They so much more efficient if they put like a nut head right here.
Yeah, so you can actually.
Or a flat spot on here, so it's easier to put it in. You know what I mean? I mean, this ain't hard putting it in this way, but once it gets in there,
That tree will grab a hold of it and it won't turn.
you want to take a turn, Grandpa?
Sure, hold that. That's tight. Hold it.
Got it.
That's why I have that brace on, Brian.
All right, here. Here.
So it won't.
I can go now.
So it won't. You get your breath back again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a.
Or does this make it any easier
I
to?
don't think so.
Yeah, I was just thinking.
I was thinking of some other kind of like.
I got an idea.
There you go. But it could break it.
Well, it could. It's a cheap wrench if it does. You think that's far enough?
Nope.
Well, here's the issue we're gonna run into, Grandpa. See how the tree is sloped?
Yep.
It's gonna hit the bottom of that if it's in too far, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you're right.
So, what do you think? I mean, we could just set it on there and see.
You set it on there and see. How about we? You get a straight line?
Yeah.
Up and down?
That thing gets hot quick. You got something right, DeWalt. This thing kicks butt. I like this thing.
I don't think this will tip that tree backwards over a 10-year period.
You don't think so?
No.
I don't think so
If
either.
it does, you can put a wheel on the other end and prevent it from doing any further.
Yeah. Or a cable. Drill one up even higher.
Yeah.
But, I mean, this is a short-term gate anyways.
Yeah.
Until we get our... Where's my big hammer?
Right. Okay.
Until we get our gate in, it's going to be...
The hole itself should actually straighten that.
Yeah. It should.
Why don't you hook the other part on it, man? Handle.
Oh, yeah.
If we can put the bottom one on, and we're going to have to...
Here, watch out, buddy.
This one. This is mama.
Here, I'll lift it up. You guide it on to the post. Because I can lift this up.
Bottom one's on. Not
Okay.
loose, is it? Okay. Take the top off. You need to loosen the top so we can slide it up.
Honey, can you get my toolbox? Grab the impact wrench out of there.
Down. Up a little higher. Not too bad. Right there, right. You're up. There you go. Yeah.
So it's pretty high over there. So we're gonna screw in the bottom one. That'll drop it down. Okay, here, you can watch. Okay, Daddy's got it. Good job, son. Now that's a man's crescent wrench.
Put both of them on it, Brian. That way you're less likely to break one.
No, it'd be too much.
That doesn't bow, does it, when you do that? Doesn't look like it. The other one was bowing.
Yeah, no, this one's not even moving.
Another bolt.
I got one right here.
Okay. I'm just gonna hold it up a little bit.
But the problem is this bowl ain't as long. Not even close to as long as the other one. Not gonna work. Dang it. Why?
I should have brought that whole bottle.
You can set it down. Now we have to go to the Tractor Supply store.
Get a bolt. Ace Hardware.
Is Ace closer than Tractor Supply?
Yep. It's right at the bottom of the hill. Want me to take you in?
Yeah, just me and you can go, and Kenzie can stay with the kids.
Hey, well, let's take this off of here for now for the kids' safety. Or would it be safer to have it left there? Keep them away from the gate.
Here, just let go. Let it swing out until it hits the ground.
It's actually probably right now. Alright.
There. We'll just leave it right there. That way the kids aren't messing around. Well, that's what happens. You break bolts with the DeWalt.
Mommy, I'm getting sweaty.
You getting sweaty?
Yeah.
You say hi.
Hi.
Where are you going? Yeah? We're at the property. Huh. There's the
The whole excavator
excavator.
and the dozer.
And those are,
What are those?
those are wires.
Oh, nice. Go.
Okay.
Ow.
Go. We keep walking down.
Yep, I'll look that right there. On that. I'll look on that, Mommy.
You do? You have to be very careful.
You slow.
This is how far we went. It's a long way to go.
You go find the side. Yeah, come on this side, Mommy.
This side? Or in the middle?
Uh-oh! It's separate.
You dropped it?
Yeah. It's
It's dirty now.
shouldn't.
Okay, leave it. Use those muscles, son.
Alright. That went in a smidge more. Alright, let's try that again. Lift up. Up. You're not lifting it. There you go. Okay, set down.
Alright.
That's more level to me. Yeah, that's level.
I see. You need all hold on.
Okay, go ahead and push it up. Okay, go ahead and let go. See, these grade 8s are way better than the other ones. Well, here's what we're gonna have to do. This one's gonna have to go in another turn. Can I do it from here though? What, Grandpa?
Nothing. I was just trying to move the gate. With swinging, it wasn't going to make any difference for you.
Okay, let's try. Oh, this isn't working better now. There. Now.
I'm going to hold that up.
Yeah, you want to come over here and hold this? But I want this.
Down just a little bit.
No. Turn it. Okay, up. There we go. Right there. do you think?
I think that's really good. She fell.
Stay off the fuel tank. Get off the pickup right now. Come over here and play in the dirt. Okay. Now, the unfortunate part is we can't pull forward far enough to open the gate this way. Because the dump truck's here.
Maybe we should get back to the dump truck up there and gas up.
Well, this isn't going to open all the way. How far is it going to open?
Well, if you take those top two ones,
Well, lift it up.
twist them a little bit.
Twist them a little bit.
Yeah, you loosen them up, I'll lift this up and it'll twist them back.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will. Do they,
No, don't worry about it. This is far enough. This is wide enough to get by.
if you loosen this up, what you do?
There. You can get by now.
Okay.
Alright, let me start the dump truck up. But the sucky part is, Grandpa, we won't be able to park the dump truck here if we have it open in the other way because we haven't gotten far enough. Well, we can,
After you get,
but we can't.
how far? You still can't get your gas tank to these tanks here unless I move your car over there. Up over there. All right.
Go ahead and shut that off, honey. Go ahead, shut it off.
Are you sure?
Yeah, shut it off. Top button.
You said turn off.
Yep.
Just gonna take
What is he doing?
I think that'd be just fine right there.
You don't think we want it lower? How deep is it? Oh, that's pretty deep.
If you put that like,
Get 4 feet.
if you put that like that, you're right there with the gap.
Yeah. What do you think? Good?
That'd be good. Drag stuff around it. You could actually, Brian. Brian,
What?
you could take the bucket upside.
No, stay on campus.
Tap it? I can do that.
I don't think we need
Tap it once.
Just turn it, set it on top of it.
Yeah, and see if it goes down a little
Is
bit.
that straight up and down?
Go.
No, that way. More right there.
I don't want to put my thumb in between there though.
Get back.
Just go gentle.
Okay.
Hey, come on. Move. See? Look.
There we go.
Brian.
That's about perfect height.
is not straight up and down. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm just going by that tree. Nope. Close enough.
I'm going to go under the gate.
Hey, be careful you don't wiggle the gate.
Help Daddy.
What you do in there? Well, maybe not. Daddy's putting some cement in right now.
Is that cement?
That's what they call cement.
This is ready mix.
Just lay it right beside the bagging.
Okay.
You want to give me that water? Hand me that shovel, son.
Okay. Can you go, Dad?
I can't grab. There we go.
That's mud.
I'm looking for a smack. That's what smart socks do. It's this. Now fine.
Oh my God. What on it?
If you get too much water in there, it won't make a very good mix.
And no mask in there. Don't do it here. Very close to foot die.
You want to go get the other bag of concrete, Grandpa?
I don't know.
It's 80 pounds. You don't need
Oh.
half of that.
Diane. Oh,
60 pounds. Excuse me. Maybe you are half.
Hey. The good thing is it doesn't have to be all the way mixed.
No.
Because there's so much water in the ground.
It'll soak right around it.
Yeah. This is just so it doesn't just create a hard pocket right around.
that's mine.
Fire starters.
Scoot back.
You need some more today?
Yeah, I just dropped him in there. His feet will stick real good.
No.
And then you'd be stuck. You'd be stuck in cement. There's a
hang
lot
on
more
to
water over there if you need it.
No, I don't think
I was hang on to that, and I got up, and I took them. I did.
we just